Wow. In the next few days, Binance will be burning billions of Terra Classic as usual. Remember, every month, Binance, in the past 3 months, in fact, Binance have been burning billions of Terra Classic coins every month, every beginning of the month, between 1st and 2nd of every month. Now, this time around, we are also expecting huge burning from the world biggest crypto exchange, Binance. So I'm expecting between 1.5 billion to 3 billion coins of Terra Classic might be destroyed based on statistics by Binance. Now, but I still hope they can really burn huge coin. But let's see if this burning can help revive, can help bring Terra Classic back a little. But I think the exchanges should this time around take this opportunity of Binance burning every 1st and 2nd of every month. They need to back this up with a huge good fundamental analysis. That means with a good news that can trigger people to invest and buy, rush to buy Terra Classic. Okay, imagine as Binance are burning the news that Binance really destroys the number of coins of Terra Classic, billions of Terra Classic coin, and let them have something else again people will be looking up to. That okay, I think this coin is time for me to buy, or let's just buy before something else happens. So they need to take opportunity of Binance monthly burn within that period of burning, bring up with a good idea that can help to push, to revive, to help Terra Classic to rise. So that is what I can say, but they really need to plan this, because if after this Terra Classic upcoming burning, if after this Binance next burning and nothing, just after this first 3 days or first 5 days, which Binance must have burned billions of Terra Classic coin, and Terra Classic fails to bounce back, then I believe it is going to be totally over for me, and I believe it will be difficult. As I've been saying that, let's say 95% difficult that Luna will ever rise to the point we ever dream of, except the miracle of crypto industry happens. The miracle of crypto industry can push a coin that is nothing within the next 7 days to become something. The miracle of cryptocurrency can trigger someone who doesn't have money today. Within the next 1 month, the person is already the person is swimming in cash. That is the miracle of cryptocurrency. So except the miracle of cryptocurrency will trigger and push Terra Classic. But for me, I think 95%, I don't think Luna will rise again if after this burning they fail to hold on this Binance upcoming burning to get and to benefit from this upcoming burning. It will be difficult for Terra Classic LLC. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop your comments, don't forget to like our videos. Once again, thank you for stopping by.